Hi, today we are going to learn about releasing anger and feeling good, day 11 of our mirror work challenge. We will address anger, how to process it and release it before it makes you sick, and how to allow space inside for more positive emotions. We have looked deep into our emotions and started to release the past. We are now learning to play a positive tape of affirmations in our mind. Celebrate the progress we've made so far. I celebrate with you and your commitment to do this mirror work. While we were digging into the past and releasing emotions, you may have discovered some angry feelings aimed at yourself or a particular event or a person. So today I'd like to help you to work on forgiving, releasing any anger you might have so that you can feel good about yourself. Anger is always an honest emotion, but when it is not expressed or processed outwardly, it will be processed inwardly in the body. And usually it develops into some kind of disease or dysfunction of some sorts. And we must have realized that we get angry over the same things over and over again. And the bitterness or depression which sets in is very difficult to shake off. So it's good to handle your anger and release it whenever it comes up. If you feel like expressing yourself physically, then a pillow punch, hitting it hard, is the answer. Don't be afraid of letting out anger take its natural course. You've already kept your feelings bottled up for too long. There's no need to feel guilty or ashamed about feeling angry. One of the best ways I know to deal with anger is to talk openly to the person you're angry with. When you feel like screaming at someone, then the anger has been building up for too long. Often it is because you feel you cannot speak openly to the other person. If the person is ready to sort it out, that is the best way. The second best way to let out anger is to talk to the person in the mirror. At times we've noticed that the person we are actually angry with has not expressed the same feeling of hearing you out, but the man in the mirror will always be there. So mirror work will help you get all your feelings out. Even when you understand intellectually that the feelings are not being expressed outwardly, it becomes a little difficult sometimes to express to the other person also. So expressing yourself to your mirror, being able to scream at the mirror for whatever is troubling you, is the next best thing. Many people tell me how much happier they are once they release the anger outward, which they had been holding for another person. So go within and know that there is an answer to your anger and you will find it. It's very healing to meditate and visualize the rage flowing freely out of your body. And later, sending love to the person. Another way is to write down forgiveness for this person who has hurt you or for the event which has made you build up this anger inside you. Be willing to become harmonious. Perhaps the anger you feel is reminding you that you're not communicating well with others. You can correct it. So let's affirm today, it's okay to have my feelings. Today I express how I'm feeling in positive ways. For the mirror work exercise, find a place with a mirror where you feel safe and will not be disturbed for a few minutes. Look into your eyes deep and concentrate and see yourself or the person you believe has wronged you there with you, and begin to tell this person exactly what you're angry about. You can express your anger and whatever you are feeling. Be very specific. You could say things like, I'm angry at you because, then the reason. I'm hurt because of this reason. I'm so afraid because you have done this to me. You may need to do this exercise several times before you truly feel that you have gotten rid of all your anger. Then you can sit down and write forgiveness for this person. Write down why you felt this way, what was the person's reaction, or what did he or she say to you that made you angry. And then after every sentence, write down that I am forgiving you for this. And in the end, send love and blessings to the person. Write it, burn this paper, blow the ashes in the universe. For your journaling exercise today, you will be answering some questions. Why am I choosing to be angry all the time? What am I doing to create situation after situation that angers me? Who am I still punishing? Because anger, you see, is like a coal you're holding in your hand to throw at somebody. But the coal is only harming your hand. So the more you hold anger into yourself, into your body, the other person is never harmed by it. It's only you. You're hurting your body, your mind. Who are you punishing? What am I giving out that attracts in others the need to irritate me? These are very deep questions. What do I want? What makes me happy? What can I do to make myself happy? Then answer these 3 questions in your journal. Your heart thought for the day is, I deserve to feel good. You have to believe this, that you have every right to feel good. That is self-love. The positive affirmations can nourish yourself and relieve you of any anxiety you may be holding on for so long. Do you believe you deserve peace and serenity in your emotional life? Then affirm, I release the pattern in my consciousness that is creating resistance to my good. I release the pattern in my consciousness that is creating resistance to my good. I deserve to feel good. And now for the meditation for today. The meditation today is called Your Healing Light. So go deep within. Close your eyes, make yourself comfortable, and concentrate on your breath. See how your breath comes in and goes out. On every in-breath, breathe in positivity around you, and on every out-breath, release and let go of any grudge, blame, anything tight you're holding within your heart. Take your awareness up 300 feet above you, where you can see, feel, or imagine the light, the source energy. Bring it down into the center of your heart. Look at your heart. Look at the deep center, a tiny pinpoint of brilliantly colored light which you have just downloaded from the heavens above. It is such a beautiful color. It is the very center of your love and healing energy. Take a deep breath in and watch this little pinpoint of light begin to pulsate, just like a kaleidoscope, right deep inside your heart. Imagine it, see it, or feel it. As it pulsates, it expands until it fills your entire heart. So that now your heart is glowing with this light. And your beautiful heart is like a central sunshine emanating this light all around you. See this light getting brighter and brighter, bigger and bigger. See this light moving through your body to the top of your head. See it moving down your whole body till the tips of your toes and your fingers. You're absolutely glowing with this beautiful colored light, with your love and your healing energy. And say to yourself, with every breath I take, I'm getting healthier and healthier. Let your whole body vibrate with this light. With every exhale, you're releasing toxins stored in your body. With every inhale, you're breathing in more energy into this beautiful light, which is covered. Every cell of your body is aligned with this light. Feel this light cleansing your body of disease and allowing vibrant health to return to it. As you see this light, see it growing stronger in the areas you really need healing. Enjoy this healing moment from within. And as you now see the light covering your entire body from within, see it radiating out of your body, so that you're glowing with this light, and this light begins to radiate out of you in all directions. And it gets bigger with every inhale and exhale, so that it's healing everyone it touches who needs it. What a privilege to be sharing this love and light and healing energy with those who are in need of it. Let your light move into your home, clearing every nook and corner of your house. Let it move beyond your house, into your city, into homes, nursing homes, hospitals, orphanages, prisons, mental hospitals, and institutions of despair, bringing hope and enlightenment and peace. Let it go to every house in the city. Eliminating pain and suffering wherever it goes. Let your love and light and healing energy bring comfort to those who need it. And now as you take another deep breath in, select one place on this planet as a place where you would like to help heal. It may be far away or just around the corner. Concentrate your love, light, and healing energy on this place and see it come into balance and harmony. See it whole and thriving. And now with another in-breath, make this light go bigger than the earth we are on. Just surround our planet, our beautiful earth, with this healing love light. See the planet thrive. And every day take a moment to send your love and light and healing energy to Mother Earth, knowing that whatever we give out comes back to us multiplied. Life is a boomerang. Give your love, give your love, give your love. And so it is. Love, light, and healing to you and your loved ones.